電車やバスで困った時、英語で話しかけられますか？今日から使えるフレーズを一緒に練習しましょう。電車の行き先。
Which way does this train go? Which way does this train go?
00行きの電車。
Where is the train to Shibuya? Where is the train to Shibuya?
バス停の場所。
Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop?
料金はいくら？
How much is the fare? How much is the fare?
切符はどこ？
Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket?
カード使える？
Can I use this card? Can I use this card?
乗り換え必要？
Do I need to transfer? Do I need to transfer?
どこで乗り換え？
Where do I transfer? Where do I transfer?
次の電車は？
When is the next train? When is the next train?
00に行きたい。
I want to go to Shinjuku. I want to go to Shinjuku.
00まで行く？
Does this train go to Ueno? Does this train go to Ueno?
00で降ります。
I'm getting off at Tokyo Station. I'm getting off at Tokyo Station.
次の駅は？
What's the next stop? What's the next stop?
00まで何分？
How long to Yokohama? How long to Yokohama?
急行ですか？
Is this an express train? Is this an express train?
空いてますか？
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
座っていい？
May I sit here? May I sit here?
とても混んでる。
It's very crowded. It's very crowded.
電車が止まる。
The train has stopped. The train has stopped.
遅れてますか？
Is it delayed? Is it delayed?
忘れ物した。
I left something behind. I left something behind.
00駅到着。
Arriving at Osaka Station. Arriving at Osaka Station.
次は00駅。
The next stop is Nagoya. The next stop is Nagoya.
ドアが開く。
The doors are opening. The doors are opening.
ここで降ります。
I'm getting off here. I'm getting off here.
出口はどこ？
Where is the exit? Where is the exit?
改札ですか？
Is this the ticket gate? Is this the ticket gate?
通してください。
Excuse me, may I pass? Excuse me, may I pass?
もう一度どうぞ。
Could you say that again? Could you say that again?
ありがとうございます。
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
今日のフレーズをもう一度聞いてみましょう。
Where is the train to Shibuya? How much is the fare? Do I need to transfer? I want to go to Shinjuku. What's the next stop? Is this seat taken? The train has stopped. Arriving at Osaka Station. I'm getting off here. Excuse me, may I pass?
今日のフレーズは役立ちましたか？チャンネル登録で毎日新しいフレーズを聞き流しましょう。